Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to block microphone permissions on Google Chrome for your PC. This is particularly useful if you want to enhance your privacy while browsing. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once it's open, you're ready to navigate to the site you want to manage. Next, open the site you want to change permissions for. Simply type the website address into the address bar and hit Enter. Once the site loads, look closely at the address bar. Now, next to the web address, click on View Site Information. This is represented by a small lock icon or an information icon, depending on the site's security status. Clicking this will bring up a small menu with various options related to the site. From this menu, open Site Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various permissions for that specific site, including microphone access. Once you're in the site settings, look for the option labeled Microphone. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you choose how Chrome interacts with your microphone for this site. Finally, next to Microphone, choose Block. This action will prevent the site from accessing your microphone in the future. If at any point you decide to allow access again, you can return to these settings and change it back. And there you have it. You've successfully blocked microphone permissions for a specific site on Google Chrome. Remember that managing these settings helps protect your privacy while browsing online. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on enhancing your online experience.